The train is now coming, 2 carriages. The diesel train 504. What's there as well? Footbridge. They've got one of these bridges at the next station across through the tunnel. Cromford station, I believe. Yeah, we have been there before. Now that metal contraption over there, that's brand new, that is. Now why would I need to get to that platform if the trains don't run from over that side? It's a single line track. You won't get a train over there, so why haven't I put a staircase in? We've got workmen behind me cutting the trees down, so it's a bit noisy. What Stanwell train station on a very busy main road. The trains only run every half hour in each direction. Matlock and Matlock Baths that way.
Platform 1 for the delayed 10:57 East Midlands Railway service to Matlock. This service is delayed and now expected to depart at 11:06. Calling at Cromford, Matlock Bath and Matlock.
There we go, it's been delayed, yeah.
Please keep your personal belongings with you at all times. If you spot anything suspicious, please speak to a member of railway staff or the British Transport Police. You can text the British Transport Police on 61016. Remember the 3 S's. See it, say it, sorted. For your safety, please keep away from the platform edge, as some fast trains may not stop here.
Makes you laugh, there's no station office here.
This is a customer announcement. Passengers are reminded that smoking, vaping and e-cigarettes are not permitted anywhere on our stations or on our trains.
As I was saying, makes you laugh, there's no actual station office here. It's a ticket machine only. So if you needed help, there's nobody to talk to. Across that bridge is Cromford Canal, apparently. Now that is a new metal staircase over there, can you see it? So why have they put a staircase on that side of a platform when the trains don't even go on that side of a platform? A lot of the leaves are out, but it must be autumn time, so I need to do some work over there to make it a bit clearer, don't I? Maybe put some chairs down, I don't know. I don't see the point of putting a staircase there when you can't actually get on a train on that side of the platform. I was just wondering, waiting here for the train, well, we're not getting on it. I was just wondering how many rivets are there? How many rivets are there on the bridge? Anybody fancy coming down and counting the rivets? I have no idea how old the bridge is. There's no date stamp or anything, so I don't know how old they are. But I know that metal bridge over there, that metal footway, is brand new. 2024, yep. And this is a little ticket office where you buy a ticket for the train. And there's a big poster up here that says, here comes the train first. Let's see the train coming first. 2 carriages, yep. East Midlands Railway. 509, that one. Off to Matlock. It'll be back in about 10 minutes, I think. Right folks, as if by magic we jumped forward to Ambergate train station, where the train we just seen going to Matlock is going to be coming back this way. So we moved from Cromford station, which was the station we just been at, to Ambergate railway station now. And that train will be coming from that direction, the one we just seen. It's going to go that way, all the way to Belper and Nottingham that way. So we'll hang around for the train to come back, yeah. So the next train, here it comes. We've just seen this one just now. Going to Matlock, it's coming this way now. This is the one where the driver gets out and calls the signal box office to see if they can carry on the journey. There he comes, there he goes, look. He's gone to make a telephone call to see if he can make a journey. Yeah, he's made a phone call, must be okay to carry on. Pretty empty train, that one, yeah.